Right, hello everybody. As you can see, I'm back at the farm and I've come to do a few hours on the birds tonight. It's a bit miserable. I've had a bit of a pour down and there's a bit of a wind on, but the farmer keeps giving me a message saying that the crows are driving him mad, so I'm going to try and get some crows and pigeons tonight for him. It's only going to be a short session, nothing long, because I don't think the weather's going to allow it anyway. But here we go. I've got the lovely FX King again in the Saber Tactical chassis. I'm running the Arken Zulus 5-20 on the top. Got an Akitac bipod and a Donnie FL Yokozuna, and I'm shooting 30 grain H&N slugs. So without further ado, I'm not going to waffle too much. I want to get shooting and hopefully have a bit of footage for you. Thanks for watching. If I try and shoot that, I think the loop and the trajectory is going to hit the bush above. Might be wrong, but I don't want to miss it and scare everything. I'm sure it's going to miss doing that. Might wait and see if another one lands to the side. Well, there you go, I didn't have to wait long. Well, had to wait a while there, but finally one came up at 110 and straight in the off switch, straight down, no bother. The rain and drizzle's starting now, so hopefully a couple will start coming in before it pours down. If it does, I'll go and sit in the barn and see if I could take some in there. But yeah, it's a good start, one down. King don't miss a beat. Nice, 2 at 99. Wow, that was 2 nice shots at 99 metres. Had to be quick with them one because I thought the other one was going to fly off. So I'm going to go and collect them up. I didn't fill my air tank up before I come out silly, so I'm going to quickly go and top up and then get back in position. Good start, 3 down. Now I love this Saber Tactical tank bag. I've had this for a while now and my bottle's as good as new. I can keep everything in there. I'll switch around. It's got a lovely solid carry strap. Can hold it in there nice and solid. You can even have the cable threading through here to easy access to everything through that little slit. I just undo the bag so I find it a bit easier for myself. But yeah, quick fill. Straight to 250. I'm ready to go again. Hopefully they haven't been too scared off by me walking around, but when I get back out there, try and grab a few more. Take the cant off, bit of right to left. Oh, it hit that branch. Oh, that was destined for its head. That loop just clipped that branch. Well, just had a miss there. Unfortunately, I didn't anticipate the loop well on the branch, so bad shooting on my part. If that little branch above wasn't there, it was definitely going down. That was on course. I knew as soon as I pulled the trigger, I thought, yeah, here we go, and clipped that branch, didn't it? So a lucky pigeon, but bad judgment and shooting from myself. I'm sure we'll get another opportunity. Nice. That's even better. Down he goes. Lovely. Happy with that one. Wow, that was that was lucky out to single load that one. My mag was just out the bag from last time I went out. I didn't fill it up. My shooting's not on point today with some of the mistakes I'm making, like hitting that branch and not filling my magazine and not putting any air in it. So lessons to be learned. But yeah, single pellet pushed in, and he just managed to move up the branch to get him at 60 metres. Nice simple shot. Got him. Done. I had to swing round on that one, take it off my knee. Got him nice though. He's definitely down. Made that really hollow. Don't know if you ever shot it. It sounds like you shot a tennis ball almost. It's like a ball sound. It's hard to explain, but I'm sure you've all experienced it. He's gone down. Got a left to right wind quite strong here. Nailed him. 131 metres. Nice shot. Lovely shot. Right guys, well that's going to be it now. The rain's just started to come in. It's really slow shooting and I'm not going to sit getting soaked for nothing, so I'm going to call that a day. We got a few. It was a nice enjoyable session and the king was faultless as usual. The 30 grain H&N, it seems to love them, so we're going to be sticking with them going forwards, and I haven't touched this tune for a long time. Everything's working well. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Hopefully next time we can get a few more shots. Obviously today's been a bit quiet, but that's shooting I guess, so thanks again and hopefully see you soon.